he's still hungry. There we go. Try not to put air. Get all the air out. See, he kind of opens his mouth already. Look, I just literally put it now. And it goes in. Man, it says mess. Clean them up.